we're here.
Us too. Yay, we're flying on vacation.
This trip is going to be amazing.
Welcome to the ballet plane.
Oh, where do we go?
You need to pass through the scanner. Who's first? Us. Phew, just made it. Here we go. Finally. And your theme is Golden Ballet. Wow. Yay, I love gold. Me too. Boys, now it's your turn.
Easy. Awesome.
Interesting. And your theme is Idol Ballet.
That's so cool. That slaps.
Okay, everyone, you can board your planes.
Yay!
Wow, so much gold. But I'd love to sit down already. Hold on, girls. You need the right dress code.
We don't have any gold outfits.
Someone needs help. Don't worry, I'm a designer. I have sketches of your outfits. And here's the Wheel of Fortune. Let's find out who goes first. And it's Rumi! Yay! I'm first! Congratulations, Rumi. Let's run to the workshop. Welcome to LaLiLu's studio. Hey, bestie.
Hey, Lali, welcome. Let's check the Lali wardrobe.
Oh, there's a secret package.
Let's see what's inside. Are you ready, Rumi?
Of course.
Interesting. We have 2 gold balloons here. Cut off the neck. And from the bottom part, make a bodysuit.
And it fits perfectly. What do we make the skirt from?
From this bag.
LaLiLu, are you sure?
100%. Here's a life hack. Draw a clean circle on the bag. Cut it out. Done. Fold in half and cut out the middle. Make a side slit like this. Now try it on. Perfect. We just need to add a ruffle. But what's missing?
Rhinestones, obviously.
Oh, of course. Thank you, Lali.
Glue it here.
We cover Rumi's top with rhinestones. Add sleeve cuffs and a little bow.
The shoes need to change too.
A perfect match.
And Rumi's look is complete. Rumi is golden, literally head to toe.
Wow.
Thank you both. The look is amazing. Let's go. Here I am. So what do you think?
Oh, wow.
We want something that beautiful too. Let's see who's lucky this time. And it's Zoey.
Lucky.
Yay, I'm so happy. There. Oh, where am I? And where is everyone?
Hey, Zoey.
Oh, hey, LaLiLu. Well, I'm ready.
Great. Let's open your secret package.
Oh, what's in there? Open it quick. Let me see. Oops, LaLiLu, pull me out.
There. What did you find in there? Wow, what a hair tie, all covered in sequins. We're gonna need that.
But what do we do with it?
We'll use it for the skirt. But first, let's do the top. Cut a suitable piece of gold fabric. We try it on Zoey. Looks great, just need to trim the extra. Shape the bodysuit. Base is ready. Now back to the hair tie. Put it on as a skirt and voila! I think it came out pretty great.
Let me compare it to the sketch. Skirt, check. Top, check. But I know what's missing, rhinestones. The heart goes right in the center.
We cover Zoey's corset with gems. So beautiful. Now we need shoes. What should we do? Oh, I know. Take some gold decorative ribbon. Wrap it around the foot and glue on a foam sole. Add ties. Now the hair. Gather some ribbon and make a ruffle. We get 2 little scrunchies. Put them on the buns.
LaLiLu, look what I can do. A spin and a split. Ta-da! Bravo, Zoey, you're amazing. Let me get a good look at you. Absolutely flawless. Let's go. Here I am, girls.
Wow, Zoey, what an incredible look. You're gorgeous. But what about me? Did you forget about me?
Come on, Mira, take a seat. Now it's your turn.
Woohoo, so fun. And here's your secret package. There must be something really special in there. Let's see. Metallic tape and decorative trim. But what do we do with these? Let's make a bodysuit from the metallic tape. Trim off the extra. Done.
Wow.
And we'll sew a skirt from the trim. Gather it. Fits beautifully. We'll also add some lace. LaLiLu, what about shoes? We'll make ballet flats from gold ribbon. Cut it in half and wrap it around the foot. Add ties. Beautiful little flats done. Now something for the hair. Twist ribbon into 2 bows. Trim off the excess and decorate the hairstyle.
Mira, these exclusive heart rhinestones are perfect for the bows. Just look how amazing.
I'm a golden ballerina.
Let me look at you one more time. The dress, the hair. Mira, you're literally breathtaking. Let's go show the girls. And here's Mira.
Girls, I'm in gold now too.
The look is slaying. It suits you so well.
Girls, let's dance. Let's go to class.
Wait! Look, girls!
What is it?
There's a ballet competition, and the prize is a real trophy!
Yay!
Huh? Hey, Saja already signed up.
Who do they think they are?
Show-offs.
We're entering too, girls. Huntrix!
That's the spirit. We'll definitely win. Oh, and here come the boys. So, hoping to win. Not hoping, we will. Maybe in your dreams. Ciao, cupcakes.
We'll beat them.
100%. Ooh, check out all these cool materials. So, this is totally idol style. I'll make a sports bag for Ginu. I place the templates. I'll have to secure them. Much better. Cutting along the outline, attaching the bottom and the sides. This will be the top flap. Snaps for closing, adding the straps, a fabulous idol badge. So, cool enough?
Wow.
Perfect. Off to practice.
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Shh, the teacher's already here.
Hi.
Is everyone ready for class? Yes, miss, I'm ready. What is that?
Is that a girl's tutu?
That's not mine. Oh, we'll need that. Today we're learning partner dancing. Come on, pair up. Oh, this is so embarrassing.
Let's just get this over with.
Boys, you're doing great.
This is hilarious.
And why are you standing around?
I don't have a partner.
You'll dance with me.
Miss.
Come on, Abby, be brave.
Okay.
Great job.
Girls, look!
What's going on?
This is too funny!
Time for our lesson. Let's go. No ballet class works without a bar. Let's pick a straw. I cut it into 2 pieces. Golden beads go on top. Okay, where's the crossbar? Hey Eva, can I borrow that? I connect the sticks and ta-da! I'll hide the seam with a rhinestone ribbon. I'll add a second rail, decorate with little gems. Perfect, this bar is top tier. Is this our classroom, girls? Looks like it.
I can't wait!
Let's begin our lesson. Take your places at the bar. It's golden too.
So cool!
Are you ready?
Yes.
Then follow my lead. That looks easy. Hop, leg up, and woohoo! Whoa, what a jump! Zoey is on fire. Actually, we're dancing on the floor.
That's no fun. Heads up below! Ta-da!
Bravo! You're such stars. Wonderful. Now all together. Let's go, Huntrix. Wow! I'm proud of you, my swans.
Huh?
Oops, here come the rivals. The cupcakes are wiggling. We can do better. LaLiLu, bring in the bar. Idol style all the way. I'll show you how it's done.
May the strongest win.
Ta-da! So, was that impressive? You need more practice.
LaLiLu, I just need some water.
No problem. Wait a minute. What should I come up with? Oh, I know. I wonder what's inside. Let's take a look. Whoa, so many tumblers. Let's choose this one. Now acrylic paint. Of course, purple. I'll coat the cup. Add a lighter shade. Very idol coated. I'll grab some foam sheet. Cutting a strip. Rolling it up. Then adding glue. Onto the bottom. Decorating with lightning bolts. Black chain. And a cool charm on the side.
Wow.
Here you go, Ginu.
What about us?
Everyone gets a trendy tumbler.
Finally, break time. We can chill.
The new bottles look amazing. Epic. Oh, not them again. Those pesky boys again. Hey, don't start arguing again. Let's all get along.
Whoa, watch out! What's with the crowd?
Huntrix, 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 Huntrix! We adore you!
Let's dance for our fans. Great idea.
Oh, yes!
Rumi, are you okay? What do we do now? Oh, poor thing. I'll make you brand new super fancy shoes. Aha! Point shoes. But Rumi doesn't need ordinary ones. She needs golden. Cut off the strings. I coat the shoes in gold. There's no such thing as too much sparkle. Gotta be extra careful here. That's definitely a vibe boost. This wire is flexible and holds its shape perfectly. I hope Rumi loves them. Hey, don't be sad. Look what I've got. Point shoes. Try them on, Cinderella. That's 1,000,000 out of 10.
They're stunning!
I didn't forget about you either. Golden point shoes look fabulous on Huntrix. We're ready for the concert. Oh, wait, no.
Why can't we go?
You can't skip golden style makeup.
Oh, you're right!
All right, a little here. And here. Let's enhance the eyes.
Now that's better.
And sparkling shadows. Gently. I'm a real prima. How's it going in here? My girls are dazzling with their shine. I can't see anything. We need to get ready too. I'll need black foam sheet. Drawing a circle. Done. I twist the top and secure it. Awesome, almost finished. Which ribbon should go here? Definitely not pink. Green is totally off. Oh, purple. I'll wrap it around. Gluing a long chain onto the brim. It turned out super stylish. So, does it give full concert vibes? We're gonna beat those girls. Yes, we're the coolest, for sure. Ta-da!
They performed amazingly!
What if we don't win? Don't worry, Huntrix. I believe in you. I'll be right there. Exactly. We've got this. We're a team. Thanks. See you soon. Thank you for your performance. Who will win the grand prize? The trophy. By the way, where is it? Oh, what trophy? Oh, whoa, right. Oh, 1 second. Don't go anywhere. How could I forget? It was somewhere around here. Well, that's not it. Oh, found it. Let's check the reference. Lightning bolts on the sides. This foam sheet will work. Placing the template and tracing the outline. Cutting it out with scissors. Adding a bit of glue to the handles. Wow, it looks awesome. Painting patterns with a thin brush. More sparkle. Decorating with rhinestones. Wow, it's fabulous. Here you go, your grand prize.
Thank you.
And now, competing for the trophy, Huntrix. Let's hear it for the girls.
Are we really going to pull this off?
I'm nervous too. Girls, don't stress. Everything will be just fine. Their moment of embarrassment. They were told to shine, and shine they did. Oh.
Oh no, Rumi, that's too high!
I've got you. Rumi, I'm here.
Oh, thank you.
I couldn't let you fall.
Bravo! Oh, that was beautiful. Friendship wins.